Ukbar. Tajjeb ħanaqbdu l-ewwel l-orange dumbbells, alright? Dawn huma l-light u ħammorru punches il-fuq. Importanti, keep on jogging while you punch, alright? Meta nbidlu l-exercise ħanejdilkom. Saqna bil-weights, make sure waħda l-fuq u l-oħra qiegħda tinżel. Once li tibdew tidrawhom, tistgħu tmorru fast punches. Very good. Make sure to keep your arms straight and breathe throughout. Inhale and exhale. Last 3, 2, 1. Weights down. Change the weights. Min hawnhekk ħammorru shoulder press. Ħanollu l-fuq u l-isfel. 90 degrees. Keep your knees bent and tummy in. Down and up. Very good. Umbat wara daw ħanerġgħu naqbdu il-light weights. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Weights down. Min hawnhekk ħammorru punches il-qudiem, waħda l-ġewwa, l-oħra l-barra. Meta jkollna il-moviment tajjeb, you can even do them faster. Tajjeb Mel, let me see Adriana, brava. Breathe. Last few seconds, give me some more punches. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. Weights down. Nerġgħu naqbdu l-weights. Minn hawnhekk, shoulders back. Ħanollu l-fuq u l-isfel. We are going to pull up and down. Up and down. Make sure li l-elbows huma l-ewwel ħaġa li jitilgħu and then the wrist follows. Last few seconds. Wara daw ħanerġgħu naqbdu il-light weight tal-aħħar darba u ħanagħmlu punches differenti. In 3, 2, 1. Weights down. Il-punches issa ħanoħduhom il-fuq. Alright, so jog and punch up. Punch, 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 punch. Very good. Last few seconds now, speed. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weights down. Last exercise. Min hawnhekk ħammorru front and then sideways. Front and side. Importanti li ħanżommuha sa shoulder u sonnolluha il-fuq. Istess lift up and down, side and front. All right, Mel. All right, Adriana. Last few seconds. Prosit. To finish it off, we're going to do 5 in front. Wara xulxin. 3, 4, 5, and last 5 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Weights down. Nibdew b'naqra żgħira ta' stretching, ħanaqbdu jdejna. Waħda taqbad l-oħra. U minn hawnhekk ħammorru għallit l-oħra.